Hello everyone, this is Vanessa from the Digital Siren, and today we're doing a flip through of the brand new little black notebook, a digital notebook now available in my shop. So this here is the cover, and as you can see, this notebook is extremely simple, and that's the great part about it. It's very easy to navigate, it's very lightweight and quick to open. Just a cute, classic, straightforward little notebook. And it's quickly become one of my very favorites to use on the daily. So on the top, you have the main navigation with the little house that goes to the index, which is the page we are on right now. And then there are 12 tabs indicated with the 12 little circles at the top. In the index, you can write in the boxes what your section is all about. So let's say these are my notes and these are my recipes, etc. Under that, you have the paper templates. So you have 5 different paper types. You have lined, Cornell, grid, dot grid, and empty. And let's go back to the home page once more. The last thing you have at the very bottom is 3 different links. The first one is the link to my newsletter to get free monthly stickers. The link in the middle is to go to my shop. And on the right, link to email me if you have any troubles, any questions, etc. So each section right now only has a plain title page like this one, and there are no pages inserted right now. So you have to go to the home page, choose a paper template, tap on the 3 little dots, copy page, navigate to where you want your page. Let's say I want to insert it in the first section. Tap the little plus at the top and insert a page by tapping Paste Page. And there we go. We now have pasted the correct paper template in section 1. And this is simply how this notebook works. Very, very easy and straightforward, and that's why I love it. I hope you will love it too. This was Vanessa from the Digital Siren. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.